If you go to Turkey and you have slightly less hair or you are wearing a cap, they will presume that you are bald.
Okay. Why is Turkey considered a hotbed for hair transplants, and what are the risks involved?
So Turkey has so many interesting stories to tell.
Yeah.
I'm thinking what to tell you now.
Okay.
So yes, so if you go to Turkey and you have slightly less hair or you are wearing a cap, they will presume that you are bald.
Okay.
और वो आपको वही से जैसे आप कहीं जाते हो, बॉम्बे जाते हो, इधर उधर कहीं पिलग्रिमेज पे जाते हो, टैक्सी ड्राइवर्स आपको लेकर जाते हैं कि अच्छा चलो हम आपको होटल दिखाएंगे, आप टर्की पे उतरो, वो आपको हेयर ट्रांसप्लांट क्लिनिक्स दिखाएंगे.
ओके.
यस, वो आपको हेयर ट्रांसप्लांट क्लिनिक्स दिखाएंगे, वो लेकर जाएंगे, आपको वहाँ पर आपको करवाएंगे, आपका वही पैकेज करेंगे एंड देन यू आर डन. सो द थिंग इज अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल थिंक इन इंडिया आल्सो कि भाई टर्की में तो बेस्ट होता है. अब वहाँ सबसे ज्यादा हो रहा है, इसका मतलब जरूरी थोड़ा है कि बेस्ट भी हो रहा होगा. True. बल्कि ज्यादा प्रोबेबिलिटी है कि खराब हो रहा होगा, बिकॉज़ मंडी बन गया है. हाँ. So it is
masses. हाँ. Mass market.
अब टर्की की बात करते हैं तो I had a Spanish patient who came to me straight. Actually, he was getting a transplant done in Turkey, and after the transplant, he stumbled upon one of my videos. So watching that, he realized कि the hair, he had like grade 3 baldness. Very small number of grafts are needed. I mean, in that you generally use 1500-1800 grafts. So he was given a number like 5000. So he, watching the video, he realized that there is some problem. He called up. He didn't go to Spain. He came to India, met me, and his first question: "Sir, was these 5000 grafts done? Were they done?"
Yeah.
So I said, "Okay. See, there are two possibilities. In one possibility, that they told that we are doing 5000 grafts, but they didn't do. In that, you lose your money. Other possibility, they told you 5000 and they did 5000. You lose your donor, precious donor." And so I asked him, which one would you like to lose?
Correct.
Or would be, willing to let go? So he's obviously, the answer was
money.
So he said, "Oh." So I told him, you are safe. So एक तरह के लोग को हमने सबसे ज्यादा ईमानदार कलयुग में देखा है. वो कौन है? वो है बेईमान लोग, क्योंकि वो बेईमानी को पूरी ईमानदारी से निभाते हैं. And this is happening,
Yeah.
And it saves people's life. It is so good. मतलब God should bless them, कि वो इतने ईमानदार हैं. चलो किसी चीज के लिए तो रहे, बेईमानी के लिए ईमानदार रहे. So there are so many patients who come to me with specific number of grafts. हमें 5000 ग्राफ्ट कर लिए, हमें 6000 कर दिए. अगर 5000-6000 कर दिए होते तो डोनर में एक बाल नहीं बचता. तो शुक्र है कि किए नहीं, तो डोनर बच गया. Or we are able to help those with repair transplants. So lot of people come to us for repair transplants. Those who have had their transplants in Turkey, in US, in various parts of Europe, Australia, from everywhere.
Okay.
And another important thing, as we were discussing about the skin treatments need to be customized.
Yeah.
And this multiplication formula works very well with FUE technique. So there are two techniques of FUE and FUT which are used in hair transplant, and almost all the clinics in Turkey, and I would say more than 99% clinics across the globe are doing only FUE surgery.
Okay.
Only FUE surgery, where hair are taken out from the back without cutting a strip, one by one. So there is a limit to the number of grafts which you can take out.
Okay.
And they are not doing FUT, where it is important for progressive baldness. It is important for repair cases. It is important for patients who have less donor. Yes. So Turkey, they do only this.
Okay. And